This video will present the Stix criteria calculator available with Orca3D version 3. The Stix is the regulatory stability index for sailing yachts as per ISO standard 12217. To perform the Stix calculation, a geometry of the yacht's hull in Rhino format is needed, together with a few yacht parameters, weight and position of the center of gravity, center of underwater lateral forces, an upwind sail area, and its associated center of effort. Note in our present project that hull surface and geometry of the deck and cockpit are modeled, together with the keel and the rudder. Here a first load case named full load was defined. We then go ahead with defining a second load case, for example that we name here minimum sailing. The load case is defined by a weight and the position of the overall center of gravity along the three axes. Next step is to define one or several points of interest. Those are meant to represent the down flooding points needed to compute several factors in the Stix criteria. Here we define a point of interest representing the engine room ventilation intake. We are able to snap the point's position to the existing Rhino geometry. Make sure to set the point to is down flooding, and then define its mirrored counterpart. Let's now start up the Orca Stix criteria command. Select the buoyant geometry. Here it will be the hull plus the keel plus the rudder. Pick a load case to base the Stix calculation upon. Important here to select option mirror about center plane so that we accommodate the fact that our geometry represents a half model. Next, one will define the sail area and its center. It may be a mix of direct user input and snapping to the existing Rhino geometry. Likewise, the hull dimensions can be either manually input, or better, computed by Orca3D. Note here is that for a strict application of the ISO standard, the minimum sailing condition must also be defined and selected. Once all is ready, press OK to start up the stability calculation. One can conveniently monitor the yacht's trim during the rollover computation. Notice here that two stability curves are being computed, one for the loading condition needed to be verified, and one for the condition minimum sailing, as requested by the Stix. Before reviewing the report, notice that one can isolate a particular step of the rollover and insert the corresponding floating plane into the Rhino graphical space. This may allow, for example, to check some measurements, such as freeboard heights. A complete report is produced by the software. It features a graphical window and full details of the Stix computation. Our example model seems to be eligible to Stix Design Category A. Thank you for watching.